500, 1,000, 1,500, $2,000 worth of $1 bills that we're going to search in today's video for any fancy serial numbers, any older bills, or something else. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure and welcome back to the channel. Holy cow, we've got $2,000 bills to hunt through today. Not the Federal Reserve bricks that I wanted to get, but beggars can't be choosers. These came from a laundromat and a car wash, and the place that I picked them up from has been pretty hot on Star Notes lately, and the guy that cherry picks bills has been on vacation. So these shouldn't be cherry picked through. They are teller straps though, so you just never know. That being said, if you're new to bill collecting and bill hunting and not sure what to look for, I have a ton of resourceful links listed down below in the video description. Feel free to check those out to familiarize you with what to look for. Or if you like a simple resource, I have my collectible US paper notes mat. You can get those at my website listed right there, as well as down below. Let's go ahead and get this hunt started. I'll get these rubber bands off. I'll get them all nice and stacked. And what I'm going to do is hunt each 100 bill strap off camera. If I have an amazing find while I'm hunting, I'll bring you guys back. Otherwise, I'll give you guys strap recaps at the end of every strap. 20 straps to go through. Let's get this hunt started, and fingers crossed, we get some dandies. Strap number one, kick this off with our first Star Note. We'll definitely take that. 2017 with an A in the front and a couple zeros. Now, as a quick reminder, I'll be plugging all of the Star Notes into the Star Note lookup site that I also have down below in the video description at the end of the hunt to see if we have any more rare ones. One Star Note, we're hoping for 20 if we're lucky in 20 straps. Moving on to strap number two. Strap number two, no nada. Moving on to strap number three now. Strap number three was a pretty good strap. Gave us a couple of Star Notes. That's three now for three straps and a almost low serial number. You want it with 4 zeros in the beginning. This has 3. I don't see a lot of 3 zeros anymore. And the 7 is slightly raised. Had this bill been crisp uncirculated, I probably would have considered keeping it because you can make about $3 or $4 on a bill like this. But in this condition, not even worth holding on to. But like I said, 2 more Star Notes. That gives us 3 now. We're back on the 1 per strap average. And we'll move on to strap number 4 and see if we can find some more. Well, strap number 4 did not give us any Star Notes this time. But look at this. Just got through talking about one of these in the last strap. 4 zeros in the front. That's considered a low serial number. Anything under 10,000 is low. Anything under 1,000 is really low. And anything under 100 is worth quite a bit. But we'll take it. 6396 with 4 zeros, and it's in decent shape. That is a fancy serial number. You do want to look for those low serial numbers when you can find them. Obviously, number 1 would be epic. We'll take that. Moving on to strap number 5 of the hunt. Strap number 5 gave us our 4th Star Note. We'll definitely take that, although we're 1 behind what we like. Moving on to strap number 6. Strap number 6 gave us 2 more Star Notes to put us back on track with 6 Star Notes through 6 straps, one of which is a 2013 B series, but it's outside of the duplicated serial number range above 9.6 million. That's 12.6 million. If you need more information about the duplicated B series 2013 Star Notes, I have more information down below. 6 Star Notes, 6 straps. Come on, strap 7. Let's find some more. Strap number 7. Star Notes number 7 and number 8. Can't get mad at that. Speaking of 8, here comes strap 8. Strap number 8 gave us Star Note number 9, and I can already see it. Strap number 9 is also going to give us a Star Note ender. That'll make 10 already through 9 straps, unless there's more. Let's see if there is. Well, strap number 9 did us fine. We got that Star Note ender and a couple of other Star Note friends with it. That makes 12 Star Notes now through 9 straps. We're moving on to strap number 10. After this is the midpoint of the hunt, and we're already doing great, but could use some more fancies, and we don't have any old bills yet. Well, strap number 10 finished off the first half of the hunt with a bang. 3 more Star Notes. We have 15 Star Notes now, including in that strap 2 consecutive ones, 6504 and 6505 in pretty nice shape. 15 Star Notes. We're on pace to set a new record at this pace. Come on, strap number 11. Keep us on the fines. Well, strap number 11 was a dud, and I took a quick peek. There's a different cash box and signature on the second strap of bills. All of these have the same. Those all have the same. And like I said, one was from a car wash, one was from a laundromat. So going 0 for 1 in the first set of straps is a bummer. Hopefully we don't go 0 for 2 in strap number 12. Strap number 12 did not make us go 0 for 2 in the second set of straps. It did give us one find, our 16th star note of the hunt. See if we can find some more goodies in strap number 13. Strap number 13, another great strap for star notes. 3 more. We have 19 star notes in 13 straps. Still light on the fancies. Still no older bills though. Strap number 14, let's see what you got. Strap 14, star note number 20. Moving on to strap number 15. Strap number 15 gave us star note number 21, as well as our first birthday note. Got to be a little bit older, of course, and it's not in the best format, but 1947, the 14th of June. I'll hold on to it in case one of you watching has that as a birth date and you want that bill. All right, moving right along, 3/4 of the way done. We're on strap number 16 now with 21 star notes on the board. Strap number 16 gave us star note number 22 and a trinary with 3 zeros in the front with a 1 and 2 only. So I think I'm going to keep this one. I don't normally keep trinaries, but this one just looks collectible to me. 00010102. You guys let me know in the comments down below. Is it one you'd keep? I think I'm going to keep it. Like I said, I don't normally keep trinaries, but this one has 3 zeros in the front and low numbers in the bill. It just looks nice. We'll hold on to it. 16 straps down. Strap number 17 coming up next. Strap number 17 did not give us any star notes, but it gave me another keeper note. And man, what another close call. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Technically, it's a broken ladder because it's only missing the 7. But man, holy cow. That's a nice run. I think I'm going to hold on to this bill. It's in decent shape too. You guys let me know down in the comments below as well. Definitely one that can sell for more than face value, but also a close call. Had that 8 been a 0, would have been really nice. And had that 8 been a 0 and the 9 been a 7, it would have been extremely nice. Either way, we'll hold on to it. A couple of cool fancies in a row in the last couple of straps. Slowing down on star notes with, I believe, 22. We have 3 straps left. Strap number 18. 2 more star notes makes 24 now for the hunt with 2 straps to go. Let's see what strap number 19 has in store for us. Strap 19, just 1 star note number 25. Let's move on to the final strap in this 20 strap hunt. Well, strap number 20 is going to give us our 26th star note of the hunt. So definitely a great star note hunt. 15 in the first 10 straps, 11 in the second 10 straps. We got 4 fancy serial numbers up there. 1 that's a low serial number, 1 that's a birthday note, 1 that's a cool trinary, and a almost ladder note. Still going to keep it though because it has a run of 6 numbers. So definitely a productive 20 strap hunt. Let me do this. Let me plug in all the star notes into the star note lookup site. I'll bring you guys back with a findings report and a final thought on this 20 strap hunt. All right, I have finished plugging in all 26 star notes. We have 24 not rare or common star notes. They either have a high print run or high total printed series. And star notes like these in circulated condition fetch about $1.50 to $3 a piece, depending on who buys them. But we did have 2 more rare ones, a 2017 A series with the F in front and a 2021 with the K in front. Both of these have only a print run size of 500K. Unfortunately, also both have a high total printed 10.99 million and 10.85 million. So Rare on the print run size, but not rare at all on the total printed. So they'll fetch about that double value there, $2.50 to $5 a piece. That's why I have them in my deluxe semi-rigid bill holder protectors. That's what those are. If you guys are looking for bill holders like that or protectors like that, I have links to those down below. I went ahead and flipped up the nicest finds today other than the birthday note. That goes in my birthday note envelope to save for somebody down the road who might see a video like this and ask about it. Either way, a productive hunt. It's not often we get a lot of star notes, a couple of rare ones, and some fancy serial numbers, but we didn't get any old bills. That's crazy. I saw one 1999, a couple from the early 2000s, and everything else was 2013 and newer. So I don't know if the Federal Reserve's pulling them out. Well, I know they're pulling them out, but this batch didn't have anything old in it, which is why I've been keeping those 1995s and earlier since day one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this 2000 Federal Reserve $1 bill note hunt today. If you did, you know I certainly would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting and thanks for watching.